Good day, this is Mikal Patrick K. Deiparine and I will discuss to you the characteristic reaction of alkenes. So, what are the characteristic reaction of an alkene? If we remember, alkene is a carbon-to-carbon double bond, or the UPAC nomenclature, it is the ene in propene. The characteristic reaction of an alkene is that the double bond is broken and in its place, single bonds form to two new atoms or groups of atoms. Four common types of this would be hydrohalogenation, hydration, halogenation, and hydrogenation. An example of hydrohalogenation would be hydrochlorination. An example of halogenation is bromination, and again, for hydrogenation, hydrogenation. Before we start with these reactions, we must first learn Markovnikov's rule. It was noted by Mr. Vladimir Markovnikov. What is it? It is radioselective reaction, with a reaction in which one direction of bond forming or bond breaking occurs in preference to all other directions. It is where the addition of HX, where X means the halogen or etc., to an alkene, hydrogen adds to the doubly bonded carbon that has the greater number of hydrogens bonded to it, and the halogen adds to the other carbon. HX could also mean XX halogenation, since there are two halogens in halogenation, or HH for hydrogenation, or H2O for hydration to an alkene. And let us remember, the hydrogen adds to the doubly bonded carbon that has greater number of hydrogens bonded to it. And on the other side, the halogen adds to the other carbon. Example of this will be propene, turning into 2-chloropropane. So, how did this happen? So, if we remember the rules earlier, the hydrogen adds to the doubly bonded carbon. Okay, hydrogen adds to the doubly bonded carbon. Where is the doubly bonded carbon? It is here at the first carbon. So, we add hydrogen there. See? Hydrogen. Okay. And on the second carbon, since it's beside the double bonded carbon, we add here the halogen. Gets? Not the other way around, okay? Remember, you add the hydrogen to the doubly bonded carbon, and the second, or the carbon beside it, is where you add the other part of the reaction, or in this case, the halogen. If you want to master how to draw a structural formula in an alkene addition reaction, you should try practicing, searching online flashcards like Remnote, Quizlet quizzes, and etc. You could try those in practice, because practice makes perfect. So thank you for listening. I hope you understood what I said, and as an assessment for yourself, you could answer these examples.